Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Get Emails for e-commerce. Get Emails is an email retargeting software, amazing proprietary technology that identifies up to 35% of anonymous traffic on your website, that lets you identify your website's anonymous traffic and get the email addresses of your visitors. No pop-ups, no forms. All you need to do is add a script from Get Emails to your web pages. Smart e-commerce companies drive 20% revenue growth with Get Emails. Get Emails is the world's first email-based retargeting solution built for enterprise e-commerce. It's the proven solution for marketers looking to grow e-commerce revenue by sending real-time abandonment emails to anonymous users. Sign up free for Get Emails and lower your cost per lead by 90%. Get a Get Emails account for free today, and you'll start thinking about how you ever survived without them. Connect your anonymous website visitors to real people. Safely retarget them with email through real-time, one-to-one, fully compliant interactions, all the tools you need in one platform without having to duct tape multiple platforms together. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Get Emails and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.